she hit us.
Yes.
She hit us 3 times. She ran into the car.
We all running.
We running to get out of the car. So we stopped. She went past us. So the right state of mind is let her pass. Let her go by her business. That's what she did. She got right there. She did that damn turn back around and she stopped. So I'm like, they're like, she ain't gonna hit the car. The baby here. She already know the baby in the car. Turn back around.
On December 10th, 2022, officers responded to a vehicle incident involving a woman and several family members. Authorities said the woman allegedly drove her vehicle into another car and a nearby fence during a dispute involving her boyfriend. The incident placed multiple people, including at risk, and prompted an immediate police investigation.
Girlfriend of one of the other ones at the house that we're going to party for, the baby mama thought he was in the car with us, which he was running through the pathway from her, and he jumped in the car.
Does anybody need medical?
That was me, yes, me and my children.
Okay.
And the other one, because she was in the car. She ran into us 2 times, and she chasing us with her car. She gone. I'm pressing charges to the fullest. Y'all might well do what you got to do.
Where did this occur at? Right here?
Yeah.
Right
That's my car, baby.
Right here.
She ran into me. All the people was out the door. They had their phones. We running out here for our dear fucking life. My daughter, she trying to get out the car, and she done picked my other daughter in the car. My baby 5 months years old. I ain't got time. She picked him to the house. To the car. And she got out with the hitting on him. She gone in the, he wasn't running. He running from her. She started chasing him. He ran through the path. He home. We can't leave. I wasn't finna leave. We told him to come back and get medical. That's what we told him to come get medical attention. He say, no, y'all do what y'all got to do. Get the babies and get y'all self situated first. And you know damn well how we get a flat, how she do all this? This is the house. This is her house. She picked them to this fence afterwards.
I wasn't even
After
here.
she hit us,
Yes.
she hit us 3 times. She ran into the car.
We all running.
We running to get out of the car. My baby got trapped in the car.
I almost got hit. I saw that.
Oh, life and death, so bitch, you around my life and my kids. My kids don't know nothing about all
I think boroughs, the street is ours. Yeah, the houses are ours, but the roadways are ours. So I'm trying to start to figure out what's going on.
I've been telling her to leave my house, leave my house, leave my house. She did not want to leave. She busts his windshield.
My children's
house windshield.
need to be checked out. I'm going to get checked out afterwards. We're doing what we need to do with this vehicle.
So this is your vehicle?
Well, you might well say yeah. Me and my other behalf. You see how my doors is? This is how she picked us. This is how we trying to get out.
Okay.
Why the hell would my doors
Yeah, can I talk with you, ma'am? Just everybody so I can speak to
Trying
everybody
at me. Troy, just on the rolling part, baby.
Hey, tell Troy just come back here.
Yeah, you can come back. So
I'm about to have a whole panic attack.
take a deep breath.
Now,
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. And you take a deep breath, hold it as long as you can, and then slowly exhale.
You don't understand.
I get you.
I got somebody helping me right now.
I got you. If you want me to be able to help you, listen. If you want me to help you, I gotta know what's going on. You gotta breathe first, and then we'll
How
start.
could I when I'm trying to think about my damn baby? My baby's sitting
I
there
get that.
fucking
You
hot
have
to
to
the
breathe.
top of her lungs.
You have to breathe. The fire department's here. They're the experts. They're gonna handle everything. You gotta focus on breathing because I want to know what's going down. Okay? I know. A lot just went down. A lot just happened. Let's start from the
She
very-
came. We was
Please say
Sasha.
who?
She's in a black moth.
Who's she?
It's her daughter-in-law. She was arguing with her son. We tried to tell her to leave. She pregnant and all that, but we told her to stop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just stop. Just leave. He say, I'm finna just run. He running away from her. We was coming to come pick him up. Okay. We bent this corner right here or whatnot. She took the car and she seen us coming. She turned around.
Who's she?
Stasha.
Stasha's coming this way?
Yeah, we was behind her because she was looking for him.
So
I
Stasha
already
was going
spotted
this
him.
way.
We coming this way. She went that way. She came back around.
Okay.
So now she see him coming to get in the car. Next thing I know, he getting in the car.
Talking
She
about
turned around.
The boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
He turned around. She turned around. I said around Stasha, which in the black model. She came. I said, my baby in the car. I don't know what y'all got going on. Da, 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 da. She said, okay. She said, head on with us. She turned around.
So
Those
wait,
people was out the door.
how
These people out the door.
You were in the car while you were talking to
Yeah,
her?
he trying to run. He getting in the car with us. We get ready to pull off. She heading on with us. Hit the gas. There go her parts. There go the part. I didn't even have no time to even put the car back in gear. To get ready to just pull on off.
What's Stasha's last name?
What's Stasha's last name? Lemon.
Lemon. Okay. Stasha Lemon.
Yeah, she
drives a
fighting
black
with
Mazda.
him with some things off.
When you say him, who's him?
He ran to the house. That's what he done barricaded himself in the house, getting away from her. All of the above.
Is that who you guys saying?
Yeah, she done came back. She done went and busted the windows too at her house.
At her, where she live?
Right here in Washington Heights.
Which one you want? Which one?
I don't know. She picked the baby in the car. We out running. I had to go back after she hit the car the second time. We forgot the damn baby. We couldn't move fast enough.
So aside from you in the driver's seat of the vehicle, who else was in the car?
She was in the car.
I was in there.
In there?
This the mom
That's my son.
of her son. That's her daughter.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then she turned around. When she turned back around to actually, after she done hit us for the damn second time, she pinned it.
She hit him against the fence.
What do you mean second time?
She was doing U-turns out here.
Yes.
So she hit it, rammed it, backed up,
Yes.
and then it came and
Listen
did it.
to me. Yes.
Yes.
They
And
go
then after-
pieces, and she pinned him. She had to hurt him. He took out. He
He was
pinned-
up against the fence and
She
she
pinned him, and she got out, and she was hitting on him.
Yes.
got out and started.
And as we was trying to go back for her ass, she hauled ass. She pinned him against that fence because he was pinned
With the vehicle?
with the car.
Okay, and that was a black Mazda.
Yeah, and she pregnant, so that's the only reason why I didn't touch
So
her.
he got pinned up against this fence here.
She turned around. He was running that way. He was running, trying to get away from the car. When she did this stuff, his first reaction was, she seen, because you can see through our front. She got out, he went to running, and whoo,
After the second
and she
time?
pinned him.
After the second time she hit your car?
That was after the second time. So the
Second time?
third time, she was going for him. Yeah.
She backed out which way? She backed up going straight.
This way, this baby was doing U-turns out here on our ass. I'm telling her, my baby in the car. There's no understanding. It's up for him. I hung up on y'all because I wasn't coping. I couldn't do it. Baby had nervous breakdowns.
Where did he initially come from? He said he tried to get in.
He was running. He was getting in the car. Yeah, he was getting in the car with us. When he first got in the car, that's when she first ran.
What residence is he at now?
He's at her house. We just in the neighborhood. Nikki, that's your house right there?
The house next.
The next one over.
What's your address? What's your address?
209.
Just look for where she went and
Terry Lane.
she done went there and bust the windows on the car. Just look for a car that would bust windows. And no, I wasn't leaving the scene. Nene, walk through and do this thing. I'll take it. I need every badge, every card number that everybody came, because baby, I know this whole procedure.
She's black and white. She's white. You want a picture? Hold on, let me get my phone. I hope my iPad's still.
So I know you're gonna go get checked out afterwards. I need to
I'll
verify.
go.
Yeah, I get
I'll
it.
go.
So aside from you, her, and your child in the car,
I got
and
two
then
kids.
him, you had two. You said you had two
Yeah,
two children in
I
the
had
car.
two children. I had the baby,
The one
and
right there.
Or who?
And then the one that's sitting down in the car.
Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
12, 11, old England.
No, I was at home with her.
Let me see that. Old England loop.
But
Old England Loop.
we know the girl.
I think I pulled up the Sasha when you're talking about.
Yeah, they give first and last name. And
Yeah.
that's a local.
Her daddy worked for the city. Sean Lemon. Sean Lemon, that's her daddy.
She live over there in Goldsboro,
No, they. I don't know. They used to stay over there. I don't know where they moved.
16th and Mulberry area.
I don't know, because they used to stay in Celery.
Sean, he white.
Don't worry, Papa said he'll get it up.
He gonna get the address. He gonna get the address.
Oh, he giving it up.
But I got a picture of
Yeah, a picture would be cool too.
Yeah, but her daddy, he worked for the city.
City
His
of
name
South.
Sean Lemon.
How
Work
old
for
is
city of South.
How old's Stasha?
Sasha.
about 21.
Is it Sasha or Stasha?
Sasha.
Sasha.
22.
22.
She 22.
22.
Stop talking, they doing your blood pressure. We know the girl.
Alright, so because your house is in the county jurisdiction, like the city of Sanford has jurisdiction over the roadway, but because the damage is to your residential property, the county is, the sheriff's office is coming out here to do the report for your
Will we be able to get that information from the
Yes.
car that hit?
Yes, we're going to have to get the information from this incident because this one, we're going to have to handle this part of it. And then all of that information is going to be given to the sheriff's office so they can do the part for you.
Yeah, so will we be getting the information from the car that hit the
Yeah.
home and this car too?
Yeah, everything's going to be
Because I need all of it. So this is ridiculous. Just left my house. Wasn't nobody on this road.
They doing your blood pressure.
Nobody.
So do you know them?
No. Not nobody.
No, I do not know that.
Not at all.
So they live here.
No, they don't.
No. I'm saying they live here. The guy that was involved in this tried to run, and the female that was hitting the car pinned him up against this fence with her car, and this is their fence.
So they're gonna have a TA
With Agasol, or
I guess she lives over there from what they're saying, so I guess he ran from that way through here. I'm assuming.
It sounds like the male was attempting to get away
Flee
from
from
this
her.
female. She comes around the corner. Male's trying to get in this car. She rams the car.
Yeah, I came over here.
Turns around, rams it again. He gets out of the car, tries to take off running. She rams
Get out on. We didn't know what side to get out on.
You guys need to put some big pillars out here.
No, just don't come over here this way. Yeah, because literally, I'm talking about when I just left. Literally, just left. We at a gathering right now at my grandma. My grandma lives dead end of this street. Now this foolishness right here. My God, this don't make no sense.
You guys want to let one of y'all let county know?
They're en route.
Okay, cool.
You can find a picture better than I can, because you got him.
Yeah, pictures of her.
He do.
What number that was? That must was
Her son. Who's what's his name?
Raquan.
How you spelling his name?
I don't think Papa you want nothing to do with it. He just say he alive. He's W-E.
Yeah,
But he got to get checked because he
I need to verify.
He's
fine.
scared. Yeah, he's scared.
He's scared for his little life.
Because
Because she always going to jail for her.
Because she always lied.
Everybody out here saying
Yeah, she did it.
Yeah, so he's fine. I just need to.
This
She
one
was
right here.
attacking him.
With the glasses.
She got out the motherfucker, wanted to beat his ass. She had his ass.
Yeah.
Yep.
You guys say you don't know where she lives right now?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I would know her mama stayed in Castleberry. Her daddy, he was staying
Celery.
in Celery. Yeah. He was staying over there. But I don't know if he still stay over that way or not.
Her son was telling her to leave from in front of their house. She wouldn't leave.
Okay.
So
She chased them.
he chased them.
No, she chased them. Cause they put him in the car for him to leave.
Yeah.
Cause she wanted to leave his
him
house.
alone.
So she chased them round this way
here.
and just.
Yeah. Did you see everything that occurred too?
We
see
were on
what
the
happened
over there at the house.
We was at their house finna set up.
Or just let her not want to leave?
Yeah.
she
And
didn't
he
wanna
said,
leave.
just
She-
take me.
And she tried to attack him and everything.
Attack him there?
Yeah, that's where it started.
How did she try attacking him over
She
there?
got in her car, was trying to fight him, but we're pushing him back.
And we was telling him,
don't even engage with her no more.
Right. Cause I said, you know you're gonna go to
jail
jail
because she
gonna
gonna say
you hit
her.
and all
When she
that.
was trying to attack him, what was she trying to do? Was she swinging? Was
Yeah,
she
Swinging at him.
swinging at him? Okay.
Yeah.
And so we put him in this car. We told them to go. She followed them.
So this car actually left from that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
left.
Okay.
Yeah, came.
So she would chase
So
him.
to see if she would leave, because we were still there, we could have like said, "Oh, she left," but she followed them all the way around here, and we just get a call to come around here because she hit the car,
Okay.
and the
Yeah,
kids
they
were
were
in the
What
hand.
is she even acting so crazy for to begin with?
Cause he don't want.
He don't want to be with her.
Is she pregnant with his child?
Yes.
Yeah.
How long were they in a relationship?
I want to say about 5 years. It's been a while. Since high school.
And so she's currently pregnant with his child. Do they have any kids currently?
And
Yeah,
then she got a baby
in the car with no
She
car seat.
That's his child.
That's
isn't
his
it?
child
She
too.
got a baby in there, no baby in the car, no car seat, none of that. What she was doing?
Would y'all, would y'all be willing to let us see?
Of what we saw, yeah.
What we saw in the,
absolutely.
over there.
Do you have the male's name?
Huh?
Trey.
Who last name?
Quan, no. What you say?
Raquan?
Mitchell.
Mitchell. All right, give me a moment. I'm gonna grab you guys some statement forms. We'll start filling that out while the fire department's checking them out, so that we can go forward with the investigation. Okay?
Okay. You might need to take this one out. She about to have a panic attack down there too.
Was she involved at all?
No, that's
her brother now.
Her brother. Okay. So
Yeah,
her
so
mom
when she
is.
found, right there.
Okay.
When she found out that she hit her with the car, she was having a.
And the door. Where's she at? Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I guess she came. Is what it is.
Sounds like. Yeah.
You see the damage from the paint transfer.
I feel like after that, she came back out this way.
Feet off.
More than likely came through this way. And dude, to be honest with you, like, I know it's a crash, but this was an intentional. Like,
No, it's not. It's not even.
Yeah.
It's not even a TA.
Yeah,
it's
it's not TA. It's
it's
gonna
all
be
intentional. So this gets thrown in the offense.
aggravated battery.
Hell yeah, but in multiple counts. They're saying that she had a child. We got to verify that aspect. She said she had a child in the car when she did all this.
Yeah.
It's just the slurry charge. I'm surprised this door didn't get.
It might not have been open at the time. Marks on the outside, maybe it was open.
Is your car? Yeah. We'll do our investigation, but obviously we'll find out the tag. I'm hoping she does have insurance, because if she does, insurance will take care of you in that aspect, and then the court system will handle her on the, pretty much trying to hit your wife and kids. I know you're pissed. Just bear with us. Let it. Everybody's seen her do it. Everybody's saying they'll sign a statement, so that helps us out. So
Crazy shit.
yep. You guys gonna be transporting anybody else? Okay. Well, let's get started on statements. Appreciate it. Yeah.
You guys have a way to get it out of here? Or?
Yeah, I got my own vehicle. That's bullshit, man.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm glad you good.
It looks like somebody was attempting to get out. That's how the door was bent back. Whoever was trying.
Yeah, they say he opened it. She picked him up against it.
She pinned him up against the fence in the car, yeah. With the car.
With the car.
That bitch crazy.
That's what it sounds like, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's what it sounds like. And she's pregnant. That's what it sounds like, man. You're endangering your own child.
Yeah, she don't give a fuck.
Yeah, they grabbed a picture of her off of social media. Yep, that's her. Yep. Where's her current address at?
Out of Front Park.
Oh, so Longwood? Or Castleberry, whatever it is.
Yeah, because when I got here, they said that this girl lived in Castleberry.
Okay.
And then the one booking photo of her has an address in Front Park.
Name of the subject's going to be Sasha Lemons. Her deal was just placed into the CGIS box. If we can have either county or I think it's Castleberry 51 to the, and it's going to be at 10:50 on our Park Street. Had assault with a deadly weapon. She was in the vehicle, so that
I would do. It didn't actually cause them any harm unless they are complaining.
that's why they get checked out.
Did they complain that injury?
Didn't you just place a deal this spring?
Yeah. So there's a big old mess that we're doing a 22. We have a disturbance. So in the course of what we're dealing with, the vehicle ran into the fence of 1831.
Okay.
Basically destroying the fence over there. So.
Is that vehicle there?
No, the vehicle ends up being a signal for the vehicle to get towed. She was attempting to hit a man in this car. We're working on it right now, trying to get info on her. We know that's a black Mazda. We're working on getting a tag.
Hi.
This is the homeowner for.
Well, it's me. Yeah, my sister was here first. I represent. But yeah, I own this property, and my brother lived on the property.
Okay. Which part of the fence is it?
It's where my brother parked it in the front.
Yeah, so if they have injuries, we need statements from them, the ones that are injured. And
I'm gonna go with that.
everybody in the car, ag battery.
Yeah.
And then for him, ag battery as well. I mean,
For him. Against him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
against
Okay.
him.
Jesus.
He got ran over.
Yeah. I thought you meant like something came up where I'm like, whoa, hold up, what? Yeah, I bet something. Right. I don't know if you're a car guy. I'm not so much. Based off everything you see, how much you think it's gonna cost to repair.
Hopefully there's no fucking frame damage. That'll be the big thing because
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. Honestly.
yeah, because sometimes when they start breaking everything down, that's when you see more damage. So I mean, from the looks of it, it looks like
It's just something to put on paper, but like I said, insurance is gonna figure all that out.
Chasing us from this way. So we stopped. She went past us. So the right state of mind is let her pass. Let her go by her business. That's what she did. She got right there. She did that damn turn back around and she stopped. So I'm like, they're like, she ain't gonna hit the car. The baby here. She already know the baby hit the car. Turn back around. Woo! We jumped. So she drove forward to us. We jumping out the car. That's that door
Is Fern
stuck.
Park like mostly y'all's, or is that Castleberry?
And it was just like
hit and miss?
boom. She turned back around. She was already hitting him with the car. She already had to hit him with the car. She done pinned him this way and hit it. So she pinned him literally to this fence. And she got out the car. Yeah, she the baby. What color her shirt
One second, man.
was?
I'll be back on Alpha if you need
And she
it.
got the baby in there.
They did all of that.
Yes.
You ready to write a statement for me?
Yes.
Okay, let's go over here. Who's she related to? Is she related at all?
Which one?
She's writing a statement to the young girl right here.
Yo, I was a party planner. I was doing the party.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here, if you want to, we'll
That's
just use
what
the
I was
hood.
doing. A party.
Yeah, I
So
have.
she got all the stuff.
So
Basically, the truck
I have
did a good
county or council bear, whoever jurisdiction it is, they're gonna go try to make contact with her. So they do make contact with her. She's being placed under arrest.
Oh yeah, cause
So she's,
that's ridiculous.
yeah. That your car? That your car?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, my car right here.
Oh, you want to? You want to press charges?
Yeah.
From when you were, where were you sitting at in the vehicle?
I was on the passenger side.
The
front passenger.
front passenger. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And who was in the back?
My son was. My son and her 2 kids.
So your son was involved too. Was?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Hey, brother, would you mind, or one of y'all, mind checking the 209 Terry Lane 1020? That's where he's possibly at. He thinks he's in trouble. I'm gonna try and tell him to call him and let him know.
Females, I think, no, those younger females over there, maybe they can get a hold of.
That's what I'm gonna have as you're en route. They also said that she went over there afterwards, I believe, and bust out the windows of his vehicle.
All right.
So if we have more charges, let me know.
209 Terry Lane.
Yeah.
What's his name? You're gonna have child endangerment too if she had what they're saying is true. She had a baby in the car.
Yeah. If they're saying that she had a child in the back of the car, I'm gonna put it. They're giving me sworn written statements about it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, county can make 1025 so I can do an interview with her to see what's going on.
What's this guy's name? Is it on the screen?
Yeah, just something Mitchell. I can't take.
I'll ask him if I drive by.
Okay. Get the Penske truck coming back too. And has anybody reached out to him to let him know, like, he ain't in trouble and that we need the fire department really to check him out?
Yeah, we was talking to him on the phone,
Yeah.
and we were telling him that he's not in trouble.
Okay, if you guys want to call him back too and let him know we have an officer going over there to check the damage on the vehicle, but also to check on him and get his side of the story.
Yeah.
You can have my dad right there.
I think they were talking about, hey, like, let him know he's not in trouble or anything. I just wanted to see if anybody else. Again, a lot, telling me the same thing. A lot was going on. Did you see her other child inside the vehicle?
Yeah, her child was in the back. He hollering like my kids hollering.
Would you mind?
My main concern was like, damn, come on, bro, you doing all this and your kid in the car.
Wherever applicable, could you place that into your statement as well?
Yes.
That her child was in the back seat when this was occurring. Hey, your daughter wanted just to let you know too, for Mr. Mitchell, if you wanted to let him know he's not in trouble or anything like that.
I just left the house telling him that.
Yeah,
I think that one of your officers just went to the house to talk to him.
Okay, cool. How's he doing? Is he injured or anything?
No.
No?
He's perfectly fine. Because I said, let me see you. Ain't nothing wrong with him.
Okay. Was he making any type of complaints?
No.
No?
Nothing wrong with him. Totally nothing.
They're saying he got hit by the car, so that's kind of
But
concerning.
he told me, he said, well, Daddy, I wasn't pinned against the fence on the car. Never got hit by a car.
She's 10-12 over there.
She's 97? Okay.
That's to my her.
Don't tell.
No.
Don't tell no one yet, because we're trying to.
No, I know. Yeah, you just got to do to resolve this, whatever y'all need to do, because this is getting old.
No, this is, again, everybody's complaining of aches and pains on this part, even though he isn't. Things could have gone to a whole nother level, and God forbid somebody could have been a child, them, or even him.
The child was on each car, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
It didn't make no sense.
It was 2 child in this one and 1 in her car.
Here for this portion. What's up, Raquan? Yeah, man. I understand the other officers say, hey, you don't want to cooperate, you don't want to say anything. I get that. There's a lot going on. But by statute, I have to give you this form. If you could give me a signature, that'd be cool. If you don't want to, I understand. All this is saying by giving me a signature is that I gave you this paper. Because like I said, by statute, I have to provide this to you. Right. It's a combination. It's your notice to contact the state attorney's office. There's also a notice of your legal rights and remedies. Just because of everything that occurred. Even though you don't want to say anything like that, we got everybody saying what occurred. And it ain't just like it's one person, it's a bunch of people. Right. And they ain't like all from the same, they're saying what happened. Right. So because of that, you're going to get put down as a victim. And because of that, you qualify for your rights and remedies and information about Safe House. So for whatever reason, you'll feel like safe here and you need to go stay somewhere, contact numbers here, and they'll help you out with resources, things of that sort. Go ahead, sir. Do you want to sign it? I can't force you. I get you. But I'm still gonna give you a copy of it though. Okay. So this is yours. Case number is up here. Phone number. If you want to contact state attorney's office and just say, hey, what do you want to do with the case? That's your opportunity to call them ahead of time. For me, Do you have questions, issues, concerns, anything about what's going on, brother?
No, I was just looking for the keys to my vehicle.
So,
you guys have.
Somebody said that a cop picked up the keys to the vehicle. So far, none of the officers that we've had on scene have the keys to the vehicle. So I don't know if someone else has the keys.
Someone else picked them up.
Yeah.
To my
Yeah, and I get. You injured at all? Do you need the fire department?
No, I don't. They already asked me.
Okay, I wanted to make sure just because of what was said. Aside from the keys, is there anything else? No? Okay. All right, if anything changes or, like I said, your mind changes, you can give us a call back. We'll do a statement, do everything, okay? All right, brother. You take care.
This definitely seems like an FTO.
80, 47, 26, 13, 30 trucks. You're not lying. So, man. I talked to your granddad over there. So you're not in any trouble. I just want you to know that up front. You ain't in any trouble or anything at all.
Yeah.
You're okay physically, right? Okay. All right. Who's got your keys? They might still be over there. There's an officer over there getting all the information over there. You're not in any trouble.
It's gonna be room 110.
Do you want to provide us a statement of what happened and everything? Okay. All right. So you have a child with her, right? Okay. And she's currently pregnant?
Yeah.
She's pregnant now. Okay. This is your vehicle right here?
Yeah, it's my vehicle.
Do you want to do anything about the damage she caused to the vehicle? So you don't want to write a statement, don't want to do anything about the car or anything?
They're gonna write it.
Okay. Do you have the kids or where? You got them right now? Okay. I think that,
one of your partners got it.
The guy over there. Yeah, I think
Yeah, one of the officers got it.
Yeah, that way you can at least make look at numbers on
Yeah.
13, 15, myself, nice.
My keys in my pocket.
Go ahead and Lakes Park. I just want to make sure. And I'm going to go in here.
Number 8011.
The car is secured, and you wanted to leave him with the keys? Does he want me to keep the keys? I mean,
You can leave him with the keys.
you want him to have the keys?
Yeah, he's not really in it. You can leave him with the keys.
Okay.
let me ask him if he wants me to keep the keys or
Just,
you know what I mean?
I mean, this is your car registered to you, right? Okay. All right.
My registration is I didn't put a sticker on yours in the car.
I don't see a reason for it, to be honest. To keep them because you can take pictures of all this.
Can you give Mitchell?
Yeah. And you're good with him having them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure he's okay with accepting them first, and then.
Yeah.
So she wants for you to take the keys for her vehicle. Are you okay taking them? Yep. Go ahead.
What did they charge her with?
She's going to be charged with aggravated battery and child abuse.
She needs it. She needs it.
This was a situation she could have avoided.
Oh yes, she shouldn't even come over here. She should have been away from here. I'm his grandmother.
It could have been avoided and she put herself in a situation.
Yep. Aggravated battery, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
So let her dad know because he'll probably take the baby.
So again, because I want to talk to you, I have to provide this to you. It's your Miranda warning. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You understand each of those rights? What happened? What, like, from the beginning, so like, what happened today? Take a moment. Take a moment.
I was at the house and
What house?
209 and I
I was speaking with my son's father at first, and then
Raquan?
yeah.
Okay.
And then we were just conversating, like not arguing or anything. And his I guess a friend of the family got in it because she thought I was talking to her because I said what, and she was like, "Who are you talking to?" And I was like, "I'm not talking to you." And then we exchanged words, and then I pulled off, and she followed me, and then that's when like the cars bumped.
Okay. Where do the cars bump at?
I don't know. It was like right around the corner from the house.
Okay. Where I found their car at was Burroughs. That sound about right?
I don't know
Maybe.
the street,
You
but
don't know street name. Okay. When you say bump, like what happened?
like she had stopped and then my car bumped into her car, and
Okay.
but they were out the car, so I don't know why I'm getting charged with assault.
Okay. And that was it? It just bumped one time? That was nothing else? Okay. Where was Raquan at during this entire incident?
He was at the house.
The house the entire time? Okay. So you're saying that the car's only hit once. There's pretty decent damage to the front of that vehicle. Were you just coming back towards their vehicle and just...
Yeah, I had turned around to leave, and then I bumped their car.
There was damage on the passenger side as well, where the door was... You know how the door normally closes? It was bent backwards.
Yeah, I only hit the car once.
Okay. Did you ever hit Raquan with the vehicle?
No.
Nothing whatsoever. Okay. There's damage to a fence over there. Bent in.
We were near a fence.
Okay. They're saying Raquan was like running from the house back over there, where you're saying that you guys bumped.
Oh, I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No.
Okay. Did you guys have children in common?
One.
You have one child in common. Where was the child at during this incident?
He was at my friend's house,
Yes.
and I went to go pick him up after it happened to drop him off at the car because I knew I was going to get in trouble.
Why do you know you're going to get in trouble?
Because I damaged her car.
Okay. So like after you said you bumped your car, like did you guys stop? Did you just keep going?
I had stopped, but then, like I said, they were out the car, so I didn't know what they were going to do to me. So I kept going, and I drove back to because I knew police were looking. My mom texted me that the police were looking for me, so I drove back there.
Okay. Did you ever think about calling law enforcement about what happened?
I know they had called, so that's why I just was meeting.
Okay. Do you think maybe you should call it like, hey, this is what's going on. This is where I'm at. Can I have an officer?
Well, I was just I was just going there to meet the officer, so I didn't think I had to call again.
Okay. So about 4 different people put pen to paper, provided us a written statement. Maybe one thing people just want to run their mouth, but when you put pen to paper, I get that. Why are they saying that you hit Raquan with your car? Okay. So when I spoke to Raquan, pretty much giving him the paperwork saying, hey, you're a victim of domestic violence. I asked him if you need medical attention. He's like, nah. Why would he even kind of like, I'd be shocked. If somebody asked me, hey, you need medical attention. Why would I need medical attention? Nothing happened to me. I get that. I've been dealing with Raquan since he was a kid, but there's more going on here than what you're telling me, and I can only work within the parameters of what I have. Because they're also saying that your little baby boy that you guys have in common with you and Raquan was in the backseat of the car.
No, he wasn't.
None whatsoever.
No, but we'll see in that family. They already know me and Raquan have past issues, so they know saying that will get me in trouble. Like, they have family members that call DCF on each other when they're mad. Like, that's just how their family is.
But from what you're saying, like, you only bumped that car. Passenger side rear door is bent backwards. Like, not the normal way a door closes. That just doesn't happen for...
Well, I mean, I hit the car. I didn't...
Well, you said you bumped the front. But, like, this is on the passenger opposite side of where the roadway is. You see what I'm getting at? Like, this doesn't... And I ain't, like, coming at you, like, sideways. It just doesn't make sense. You came back. It's clear as day and struck that vehicle. There's damage consistent with the back passenger wheel that has black paint transfer. Paint transfer is when another car hits another car, the vehicle's paint that hit it scrapes it off onto that vehicle. Their wheels are like silver, like hubcaps. There's black paint on it, on the side that's not even near the roadway. So that would show that you came back around and went on the passenger side to go around them, pretty much. But by going around them, you struck the back end of the car and hit the door, causing it to go backwards. See, like I'm trying to give you, like, tell me what happened.
Yeah,
like,
no, I'm not playing victim. I know I hit the car. Like, I'm not saying I didn't. I hit the car.
Why would you even hit the car?
Because it was just based off my emotions. She was making me angry. Like, why are you following me?
Okay. It wasn't because Raquan was trying to, like, they were getting in the way between you and Raquan?
No.
Because they were saying Raquan was trying to get away from you and jumped in their car. I mean, Raquan's mom, I know you're saying family don't like you. Even Raquan's mom was like, yeah, my son jumped in the car to get away from her.
No. That's not what happened.
Then what happened? Like, clarify what occurred, because even by, I ain't saying you're lying, but when you leave things out, like, that are detrimental, like, yeah, you hit the car again. Like, that's something I need to know. And the fact that it gets left out, it raises suspicions on, like, your validity. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like, that's kind of causing concern on my part.
I mean, I just don't get why they're trying to make it seem like I tried to hit somebody. I didn't hit nobody. Everybody was out of the car.
Okay.
Like, I know I'm in the wrong for hitting her car, of course, because I should never hit it.
Okay.
But it's just like, I wasn't trying to hurt nobody. I didn't hit nobody that was in the car. Nobody was in the car.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to hit Raquan. I wasn't doing all that.
So, what about the damage at Raquan's house?
What about the damage to Raquan's house?
To Raquan's car?
I don't know.
That wasn't you?
That wasn't nothing to do with this, no.
Was that previous, or was that?
I don't know. That wasn't there. I was with him a couple of days. I was in there a couple of days ago.
And his car was fine?
Yeah.
So what happened? Did he tell you what happened to the car?
No.
Okay.
We haven't really. We were having a conversation when they had pulled up, the family friend.
Okay.
But we weren't.
Because they're saying you smashed the hell out of that car.
That car was like that when I pulled up this morning.
You didn't ask him? You didn't, like, that'd be the first, if I went over
yeah,
my...
we were conversating, but like I said before we came, I mean, I was worried about bigger stuff than that.
Okay.
So, like, that was going to be a question, but I was worried about where he was at and stuff like that, so I didn't ask him that.
Okay. You're currently pregnant now with his child as well? Okay. How far along are you?
5 months.
5 months. And I'm assuming all this from your face is what, from the crash, or is that from just... I don't know if you got nervous and or stressed out and you scratched yourself?
No.
You're like...
No, that was just like a mix of everything. I think.
Okay. Did you ever fight with Raquan, like, physically today?
Mm-mm.
No, did you try fighting Raquan today?
No.
You didn't even try?
No.
None whatsoever?
I was arguing I was in the car the whole time. I was going back and forth with her. And then he was like, roll up your window, and I just moved his hand out the car, but that was it for me.
Okay. Again, I know you're saying they don't like you, but I don't know whose family, like...
They're family friends.
Yeah, I get that. They're saying you tried to fight them at the house, too.
No, I did not.
And then they had to keep Raquan back.
No. When me and Raquan was having a conversation, once I said what to Raquan, the family friend was like, who are you talking to?
Who's the family friend, do you know?
Jerica.
Jerica, okay.
And she was like, who are you talking to? I was like, I'm not talking to you. And then I said, she was like, oh, because I'm not Raquan. I'll whoop your like saying stuff like that. And I was like, I'm not even talking to you. That's when the mom had got in there, and she was like, but I was in the car the whole time, and the mom had got in, and she was like, Jerica, just go in the car, because Jerica was outside the car, and she was just arguing, and I was arguing back with her. That's when Raquan told me to roll up the window.
What friend had your child?
My cousin.
Trinity? You got Trinity's phone number?
Yeah.
You already know? Okay. So when I called Trinity, she just said she had your child or anything like that the entire time. And that he was on the backseat of your vehicle whatsoever.
Yeah.
Okay. What happens if she tells me, no, I didn't have the kid? Okay. Hypothetically.
I don't know, but.
Okay.
I don't know.
Because they're saying the child was in the backseat of the car. Okay. All right. We'll see. You got some serious charges.
What are my charges?
You have about 4 counts. Aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. I'll verify the information, but again, they put pen to paper too as well, saying that child was in the backseat of the car. It could have reckless endangerment of a juvenile or a minor. Is
this all felonies? Like, will I be spending time?
Everything's a felony. I don't think there's one misdemeanor.
They just want to do this to ruin me. Like, they just want to do this to get back at me.
Back at you for what? Like what?
Because me and that family friend had got into it a while back when they was talking about my son when he was first born.
Okay.
And then they pulled up, and then we fought, and then it was just that. So they've had an issue with me.
Okay.
So I haven't really spoken to them since then. I don't speak to them at all. Whenever I'm over there, they're never over there. I don't see them. It's just like their people are nasty. Like, they're nasty people.
Yeah, it was a property manager. His name is Dan Smith.
So how much time am I gonna get?
We're not even close to that yet. So I'm gonna make a phone call. You said your cousin's name is Trinity. Speak to her. If she answers, I'll verify some things. You could have more charges. You could have less charges. It really depends. There's a deputy out there too as well who might speak to you, but the fence that was damaged during this whole
I mean, I could pay for everything.
Well,
It's
yeah,
like
I get
they're
that.
trying to
I
make
hear
it seem like I'm getting all these charges.
I'm not playing around, but there are some very serious charges. Like I said, misdemeanors are for jail, like here. Felonies are prison. But
So do you think I'm going to prison?
I can't say yes or no. This is like so early on, and I don't know your background, your criminal history. I could, so I don't know what the attorneys from the state are going to prosecute, what they're not going to prosecute. There's a lot up in the air. I could do all this. We could be going through this entire incident, and the state attorney would be like, "Nah, I'm not pressing charges at all, or pick up any of the charges." To clarify, I apologize. So
I mean, but it's a lot of charges not to pick up. So I'm trying to think where this thing.
it's like I said, I'm about to call your cousin Trinity. That's why I'm trying to talk to you to get a clarification of this incident, because at first you're like, just a bump. Okay, it'd be different if I didn't know more than that, and I don't think you realize the damage that was on the passenger side. You're saying your emotions got the best of you. And listen, that happens. It happens, 100%. Everybody goes through it. It's just people go through it differently. This ain't the proper way.
It's just like she don't get in trouble for following me. Why is she following me?
And it's saying, hypothetically, she was following you. Why didn't you call law enforcement? And I'm not here to beat you up saying, oh, you needed to.
I know I should have, but
correct. But hindsight's 20/20. We can say shoulda, coulda, woulda all day.
Would you let us mess up my life for that?
I won't say yeah to that. I won't say no to that. Like I said, we're very early on in the stages, but you're here for a reason.
I know.
Okay, so just take a moment, regain your composure. I ain't trying to rush you. I just don't want you to go back out there all red-eyed, crying, because it's not something you should deal with.
Phone calls.
You have to get with them about that. This is their facility. They have their procedures. So I don't know when you'll make your phone calls.
Okay. Do you know the other two charges?
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counts of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon.
For everybody that was there.
Correct, inside the vehicle. You're going to have probably criminal mischief as well for the damage to the vehicle. And then I still got to verify information regarding the children, but it's probably one count of, I think it's reckless minor. Yeah, so you have about seven felony charges. I think state-wise, I don't even want to give you years for each charge. You get your hands full, okay? Take it day by day, and just do what you got to do, okay? I do have to give you a heads up too, so none of you guys are like surprised. I had to contact CBS no matter what, just because children were involved. I don't know what they're gonna do.
But my son wasn't involved, so
I get that, but I provide the information, and I'm gonna let CPS make the decision on what they're gonna do. Like I said, you said, hey.
But can you wait until you call her?
I can, but then at the same time, I've still got 4 people saying that your child was in the backseat of the car screaming while you're hitting their vehicle.
Okay.
So whether I make contact with your cousin or not, you're more likely you're gonna face that charge.
That's not true.
I know. I got 4 individuals. I know you say they don't like you and they got beef, but it's 4 people saying your child was in the backseat of their car, and in good faith. Again, I know, I'm gonna keep reiterating this. You saying they got beef with you. It's 4 people saying child was in the car, screaming, yelling, and hollering, and it's just you saying no. She's with my cousin, who as of right now is just not answering the phone.
I get what you're saying.
In good faith, I can't just steer clear or walk away from that.
You don't go to prison for that.
No, well, listen, you're really jumping the gun really far.
This is not fair.
There's a lot to go on here. There's a lot to go forth from here. You won't have a bond until first appearance, which is probably tomorrow afternoon. Once you go to first appearance, they'll give you a bond. Again, if you've never been in trouble, you might get RR'd, but these are some serious charges facing as well.
That's what I'm saying.
But there's a lot that's going to have to go on. So don't just, I'm going to prison. Don't think that. You got to think positive in this type of thing. Just one day at a time, one step at a time, okay? You good? Okay.
Following the investigation, the woman was arrested and charged with 5 counts of aggravated battery and 1 count of child. Police confirmed she was taken into custody as the case moves forward through the court system. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.